dashing little falcon. And fortunately, someone has sent in a rather attractive still of this.
Oh,
Jack
that's a
Barnes.
good photo.
Karen Armstrong, one of the world's leading thinkers about religion, gives the opening lecture at this year's Free Thinking Festival. Listen tomorrow at 10 p.m. on BBC Radio 3. Karen Armstrong, one of the world's leading thinkers about religion, gives the opening lecture at this year's Free Thinking Festival. Listen tomorrow at 10 p.m. on BBC Radio 3. 10 p.m. on BBC Radio 3. Oh, it's such a relief. I got that right. In the Sign Zone, now on BBC Two, This World explores solitary confinement in Maine State Prison and the warden trying to reform the system, with some violent scenes, strong language and scenes which some viewers may find disturbing. We apologise for this break in transmission here on BBC Two. We're doing everything we can to get back to the programme, and we'll be with you and with Autumnwatch just as soon as we can. We're sorry for the break in transmission here on BBC Two. We're doing everything we can to return to Autumnwatch. There seems to be a problem, and we'll be getting back to you just as soon as we can. And we're still trying to fix the problem with Autumnwatch here on BBC Two. We're terribly sorry for the break in transmission. We're doing everything we can. In the meantime, here's some music. We're sorry for the break in transmission here on BBC Two. We're doing everything we possibly can to get back to Autumnwatch. There seems to be a bit of a problem there tonight. In the meantime, here's a bit more music. We're still having problems with Autumnwatch here on BBC Two, so in the meantime, we're going to bring you an episode of Coast.